Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you're building a budget to mid-range gaming PC in 2025 and want a graphics card that delivers smooth 1080p and solid 1440p performance while staying cool and quiet, then the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC16G is absolutely worth a look. At the heart of this GPU is AMD's RDNA 3 architecture, which brings improved power efficiency, enhanced ray tracing, and high clock speeds to the table. The RX 7600 XT comes with 16 GB of GDDR6 VRAM on a 128-bit bus, offering plenty of memory for modern titles, especially if you're modding, multitasking, or diving into games with high-res textures. GIGABYTE's custom WINDFORCE 3X cooling system features 3 alternate spinning fans, composite copper heat pipes, and a large heatsink to keep temps under control even during long gaming sessions. The card stays impressively quiet, making it a great fit for quieter PC builds without sacrificing thermal performance. Out of the box, this is a factory overclocked GPU, meaning you're getting higher boost clock speeds than the standard RX 7600 XT. That translates to slightly better performance in high-demand games like Cyberpunk 2077, Warzone, and Starfield. And with FSR3 support, you'll enjoy boosted frame rates through AMD's upscaling technology, making even ray-traced games feel fluid at 1080p and 1440p. In terms of ports, you get 2 HDMI 2.1 and 2 DisplayPort 2.1 outputs ready for high refresh rate monitors, VR headsets, or multi-display setups. Build-wise, it's got a clean black shroud with subtle RGB accents, perfect for any themed build without being too flashy. And with dual BIOS support and a reinforced backplate, this card has durability and customization baked in. Whether you're upgrading from an older RX 500 series, building your first rig, or just want smooth gaming without going into RTX 4070 territory, the GIGABYTE RX 7600 XT Gaming OC16G is one of the best price to performance cards right now. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing, and if you're enjoying the best of PC hardware, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and hit the bell so you never miss our next gaming gear review.